This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Amber Patrick. Beautiful 4-bedroom 2-bathroom home located in the amazing Rolling Meadows neighborhood. You walk into the open concept, recently updated living room, kitchen and eat-in dining area. Upstairs you'll find 3 bedrooms, all with brand new carpet installed in 2021, a beautifully updated full bathroom, done in 2019, and a great closet for storage. Downstairs you'll find a completely renovated family room with new carpet, a renovated 3/4 bathroom laundry room combination, and bedroom number 4, renovated in 2016, which is currently being used as an office space. Bedroom number 4 has a new sliding glass door which leads to a concrete patio perfect for a fire pit. Outside, you'll enjoy your above-ground pool built into the deck, with a beautiful wooded view just outside your back door. All appliances included in purchase price. New wooden plank flooring installed on main floor in 2021. Complete basement renovation in 2016. For more information,